Hi guys, this is Nigel and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, I'll be teaching you how to propagate plants using clone paste. Here I have with me a Philodendron strawberry shake chunk, which has been growing roots but hasn't been doing anything else. If you have been having the same problem and want to know how I can go from this to this with just one simple extra step, then keep on watching. Here I have with me a chunk that is of a good size and also a good amount of roots. For a chunk to be viable and able to grow into a whole new plant on its own, it has to at least have one node. Here above the node where the roots are growing, we also have a axillary bud, and this is where the new plant is going to grow up from. So I'm planting my chunk in LECA. I like this method because it's easy for me to detect if there's any rot happening, and also I'll be able to see the roots grow. Next step is the secret ingredient, which is the clone paste. Enriched with vitamins, this paste has a high concentration of cytokinins, which is a plant hormone that is going to encourage the plant to grow. Do read the instructions at the back before you use the paste, but I'm going to show you how easy it is. So the clone paste comes in the tiny vial like this. We actually don't need that much, and so this little vial is going to last you for a very long time. The green colored paste has a thick gel-like texture. It is also pretty sticky, which makes it slightly waterproof. You want to apply the paste on the axillary bud. This is to activate the axillary bud. Basically, we're telling it to wake the up. Next, you want to keep your chunk in a place where there's high humidity. For me, I'm keeping it in my prop box with my other propagations. Underneath the prop box, I also have a heating mat, and I'm keeping the temperature above 70. This is another Philodendron strawberry shake chunk that I did 1 week ago, and you can see that there's a new growth protruding out of the axillary bud already. I usually air my prop box about every 2 to 3 days, just to let fresh air in and also to check on the propagations. And this is what the chunk that we started out with looks like after 4 weeks. From that tiny axillary bud, a full new leaf has come out. I'm not too upset that the first leaf has no variegation. It simply means that it has all the green pigments it needs to photosynthesize so that it can grow fast. I've also done a similar video but using the Philodendron Alchaco red chunks. Do check it out if you're interested. And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the products will be linked in the description box below. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. You can also click on the bell icon so that you get a notification every time I upload a brand new video. Once again, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios!